I'm Saul Reisman here at Saul's Autotek, and today we want to show you attention to detail. When you bring your vehicle in for service, we know that you expect perfection. You want it to come out of the facility the same way it left the dealership. So if you bring me a vehicle that's made a mess underneath it due to a leak or a problem with it, I'm not just going to repair that leak. We're going to pressure wash the inside of your vehicle's engine bay with steaming hot water to make sure that when it leaves here, it looks beautiful and perfect every time. No, well, we replaced the part, but we didn't clean up afterwards. That takes more time. That costs more money. Would you like to pay for that? No, sir, no, ma'am. At Saul's Autotek, we take pride in our work, and that means making sure that you can literally eat off of it as if it was your dining room table. So if you bring us a vehicle and we need to rip a motor out to get it repaired, we're going to make sure it looks good as new the moment it walks out our door. Come and see us if you have any concerns for yours. Whether it's a Subaru or a Ferrari, we will make sure that it's looking perfect. 303-919-7769, 7 days a week in Greenwood Village, Colorado.